got body spray.
Toilet? Just kidding. Oh shit! Oh, wait. What? Okay. They're hand sanitizers. I just don't know what flavor.
What flavor? Are you gonna eat it?
Oh no! Smell, scent, ocean.
Ocean for men.
For men.
No, there's no reason you should ever stink.
Yeah, I got all the stinky stuff.
No, what did you all get from Grandma? Mom, this is a
body
different
spray?
video.
Body and hair wash. Ocean for men. And BOD Man Really Ripped Abs Fragrance Body Spray.
Cool. What do you tell her?
Thank you.
Alright, now we need Katie to go from Grandma Baumstark.
I got a painted box. I think.
Oh, those are pretty.
These are. These fit These fit perfect.
Cool. Beans, what do you tell her?
Thank you. Can I go first?
Alright, now those are from...
Grandma Baumstark. We have another one.
Oh, you guys got two of them from Grandma Baumstark?
Yeah. Try to bring the candles this time.
Okay, who went first last time?
Ellie. And Katie just went. Oh, yeah, but I'm always last.
Okay, let Katie go first.
Okay. I think it's the same stuff Emily got, but different. I got the same thing as Tony. That's like you got boy stuff.
We can share.
That doesn't thrill me at all. Shower gel again. I got two. Well, that's body lotion. Never mind. Empty. Twilight Mist. Yeah. No, Ellie, don't use this one.
Just...
Carbine Escape and
I'm gonna try.
Dancing Waters Pocket Bath.
I'm gonna.
And they're all pomegranate. Oh, look, that's like the one to fill my other case I got for free.
Whoa, cool beans.
Those are hand sanitizers.
I'm trying mine right now.
I do mine now, Mom.
Okay, Eliana, you go next.
I love my
Eliana, sing We Wish You a Merry Christmas.
Very scenty.
You are very scenty.
It's scenty smell.
Guys, you all have the same shower gel. So if you guys want, you can just put one in the shower at a time, and when it's empty, take another one, instead of having all these bottles in the shower.
Or we can mark them and you guys can have all your own. You got Twilight Mist too?
I have two.
Oh, so this substitutes their perfume. This substitutes their hand sanitizer.
You got your own Stinky Man perfume.
Enjoy holiday fun.
Smell it.
Pocket back. Fresh lavender. Lavender pocket.
Cool beans!
I got stinky hands.
What do you tell Grandma?
Thank you very, very, very much.
Hey, let's finish talking.
Thank you very, very, very much.
Alright, Kennelly?
Monkey Hat Girl, what do you think it is?
Back here. I haven't tried. Oh.
Back up, please. You're kind of close.
Well, 14's already. Oh my goodness.
And they're long enough. Woohoo! You like them?
Getting so big.
Yeah. I feel like they're eating.
Cool beans. What do you tell Grandma?
And I predict that Cody's going to get one.
Do you need pants?
These are nice ones.
Emily, after this one,
What size are they?
yeah.
28 by 34.
Oh my goodness, 28 by 34 already. What kind are they?
Wrangler?
Wrangler, what's the cut? 13 MWZ?
Yep.
Oh, cool. And what do you tell Grandma?
Thank you.
Wait, what did I get from Santa? Radio. Oh, yeah.
Say.
Okay.
Yeah, you guys open the plastic wrapping paper.
Too blurry to...
Now we open Grandma. Oh gosh.
No, I left this one.
Dad, let's open theirs.
Dad,